Hey, where are you going, Habibi? Hey, stop! Your tire is touching the ground. Come on, hey, come on! You're driving a car. Stop, stop!
Today, I don't think in my channel I've ever reviewed a Toyota compressor, Toyota Denso compressor. I'm not talking about Denso made compressor for other cars, but for Toyota specifically. So today, we got a situation. The situation here is that this compressor, as you can see, is locked up. The flywheel can turn, but the clutch will not turn. So this is more like a dead compressor. It is a dead compressor because there is nothing you can do. Even though we don't know the integrity of the coil, we see some wire right there. I can actually predict which of the Toyota model that this is for, but this is for Toyota for sure. So, and based on my topic here, so we're gonna be rejuvenating, we're gonna reviving this back to life. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Habibi, let's get started. So what's my first thing in this kind of situation? I'll try to turn it, as you can see right now, and see if it's gonna turn, but it's not turning. It's just a little bit. So I don't know if there is a broken piston. I don't know if there is any dirt, maybe like iron filing that is inside. I can't tell. It's until least when I open this up, then I'm gonna be rebuilding it and see if the shaft seal is damaged and see if there is anything broken that's inside. But if there is none, then I will just perform a normal overhauling service, which I do, that's going to rejuvenate this compressor, and we're back, and she should be back rocking. So let me hook up my camera somewhere and let's get started. Okay, now that I've hooked up my camera somewhere, so let me introduce you to the boys. We're gonna be needing 8mm, we're gonna be needing 10mm, we're gonna be needing a ratchet that can be able to get it loosened up. Then even more, we're gonna be needing some Pepsi. The compressor like Pepsi, you know. For most of you who don't really know what compressor likes, Pepsi, it likes Mirinda, it likes Fanta, it likes Cocoa Pops, it likes a lot of things. Oh, it looks a lot of things. Then likes hammer. If it's stubborn, you can, try to smack it like you smack some of your women's booty. You smack it, not too hard, because you're gonna get a lot of things messy here. Then we're gonna need this, my precious guy. Oh, she looks so beautiful, This one, it seems like I can do without it. When you hear this kind of song where celebrities say, I can do without you, that's more like it. Or when you hear this kind of song where it says, I will do anything, girl. No, this time is, I will do anything, snap ring plier. Nothing can go by with this guy right here. She's my favorite. And even more, I got a better toothbrush this time. For most of you who knows what I do with toothbrush, I came prepared with this package. I came prepared for this shit. So let's get started. So the first thing first, I'm gonna hook up my 10. This is always held in place by 10mm, so I'm gonna hook it up right there. Seems like someone have been here trying to get this guy back. And let me get it up real quick. Oh, seems like there is earthquake right there. For most of you watching, I hope you are not affected or earth tremor. Okay, it came out nice quickly. There should be a spacer right here, so don't forget it, Habibi. Okay, so that's where I say this my favorite tools come in place to come and play it through, and grab it right there. Come on. It come out very simple. It doesn't snap and run. Okay, wow, that was two-way easy. You see that? That is two-way easy. Okay, now we got another snap ring right in that side there, so come on, buddy, go get him, tiger. Get it right in there. guys on the back seat are participating. For those of you in the back seat, so you hold it right there. Come on. Okay, I got it. Simple. Okay, so this one, let's get this one out of the way. Now we have to change this one, put 8mm right there. Wow, it seems like someone has been here. This can be really hard sometimes to actually get on. Maybe the person didn't actually succeeded in getting it off completely. He just did it halfway around the world and just leave it right there. Woo. Who in the world traveled halfway around the world, quarter mile, and wouldn't complete it? The extension. Yep. Okay, don't worry, I'm just communicating with my inner self. Okay, so let's get it right there. Get it right there. Get it. Give me a tissue paper. Why am I always talking to myself? Okay, here we are. So this one out. There is a spacer right here, so don't forget it. You can see it. Oh, I can see some rusty there. So I'm actually thinking that this thing here, this compressor, the car it took out of, there have been unaddressed leak that have been present inside there that is making a lot of all this rusty. You can see it. Okay, so when you have your compressor, if there is a leak in your car and you didn't fix it up, that's what's gonna happen. Look at, whoo! I'm gonna be needing to scrape all this shit off. So like I said, it's gonna be like a rebuild series. The compressor that locked up, how to rebuild AC compressor. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Shit. That looks so terrible. Damn. Okay. I almost forgot the spacer right there, but I still got it right there. Okay, so the first thing first is to take this cap off. Take your cap off. Ooh, shit. Damn. Look at it. Oh my God. What the fuck? A lot of things. Damn. Really horrible. Gotta show you guys again. Look at these, look at these, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Thank God. Put that aside. What about here? I don't think this is the right time for me to brush. Okay. Now we're in. Get this one out. Please don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing. So I'm gonna get this one aside. All this gunk gotta get out. We don't need them. Shit. So wait a minute. Wow, this is crazy. Now you see why we bring Coca-Cola into this place, or Pepsi. Will this still work? That's the ultimate question. A lot of them won't go out, so I'm gonna find something to scrape it really hard. I'm gonna find something like this. Oh, it's really deep. Shit. So with the car parked for long and there is a leak problem, so what happened? the oil inside start acting as it has been designed to do. Okay, I got a bigger guy right here. Oh, that's great. That's beautiful. What? But even though that is still having a lot of this plate is gonna have a serious rough time, so I'm gonna be using a abrasive paper to clean this up. Some paper. What about the back? So with this one done, I think I'm just gonna wash it a little bit. Woo. Look at my hands. This is too coarse. Find a smoother one. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. But here, all this that I'm actually toothbrushing right now, they're part of the whole thing. Okay. Keep this one aside, then over to this one here. This is really serious. You're attacking all the plate. Yeah. Thank God. He got a good one for me. You're gonna use a soft grate so you don't get things messed up. You don't get the shit messed up here. It's more like honing the cylinder. You can see the mark of it. Because it's not smooth as it should. If I could, I wouldn't mind changing this plate for it. This pressure plate, valve plate. Where I get a little bit tipsy and a little bit nervous is this place here. A lot of things gone out of here, gone out of hand here. All this gunk. So this is my bigger toothbrush. I know some of you like it. Some of you that your teeth are dirty can use this one to upgrade your toothbrush. I know it's gonna work well. A lot of questions that a lot of you guys are gonna be asking is, will this still work? Only one way to find out. Only one way to find out. How are you doing? It's quite crazy. So this is getting really hard because this won't get out, but I'm still gonna find a way to get it out. Okay, so over to the big guy here. What do we do? Wow, it doesn't seem to be anything really much aside rusts. So from here, let me use my previous method I used to teach you guys. It's crazy, still stiff. Gotta drink a little bit of Pepsi, so it will help dissolve it. Now here I can smack this thing hard because I don't want the piston to get broken apart. Let me try it again. Okay, we're on it. It's working. See, with a good Pepsi, the compressor is now getting back. Pepsi in place and putting things back in shape. But don't forget, I told you there is too much sugar inside there. So, damn. Okay, I hope you guys see it's moving. Let me show you. It's not moving. Body hook. So we're gonna be needing to let it drink more of the Pepsi. Sip more, buddy. Sip more. This is all yours. No one is gonna share it with you. I guarantee you, no one is gonna share. So let's open its mouth where it breathes in and where it breathes out, and let it sip more in there. Let's see what happens. Oh, damn. Okay, finally. Yeah. Finally got stopped. Okay, so here, gonna tap it more. Come on, buddy. Come on. Stay with me. Stay with me, buddy. Okay, here she goes. Seems like we are destined to do this forever. Okay, so at this part right now, I'm gonna be needing to lubricate it. So let me get it more Pepsi, less problem. More Pepsi, less problem. Okay. A lot of you guys gonna say, does it worth it? Does it worth it? Of course it worth it. In as much as gonna revive this back to life. Where is my 10? Who got my 10 here? Some of you guys watching. Oh, that spacer is blocking me. Okay, now let me show you guys another trick in this kind of a situation. When you keep your finger crossed and you believe that this is not gonna